Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a blog on Google Sites. So when you are on your Google Sites page, you want to start a new site. You can start from blank, but I would suggest to use a template gallery because it will be easier for you if you use the gallery. So for example, let's try to find which fits the best for us. So let's, for example, choose a restaurant. And let's create a blog for a restaurant with recipes and so on and so forth. So as you can see, there is a menu button, but a menu at the top. You can of course edit. So I'm just gonna write down this, and like that you just edit. Of course, this is not the most important thing. If you want to change the image, you can do this by clicking on these three dots and by clicking replace image, then upload or select. So I'm just going to select from Google Images, for example, or so for the sake of this video, I'm just going to choose this photo and I'm going to insert it here. Now what you can do is actually insert a text box and for example, write something down. Menu for Friday. And also I would like to add a table of contents. So let's do that. And now when you make this as a heading, it will appear right there. So basically when you make it as a heading, it's like a table of contents then. What you can also do is add a collapsible group. Also some buttons. You can name the button. Make reservation now. And you basically put a link. So for example, somewhere here. Now, if you already also have, for example, YouTube or some other social links, you can add them here and, for example, at the bottom. And you basically just add a photo, a link, and it will insert here. You can insert a calendar for reservations, add some content blocks for your blog, for example. And now there are also a theme. So for example, if you will choose a different theme, everything will change, as you can see. Let's choose this one, for example, change the color. You can also just create a custom theme. So for example, you name it, you add a logo, banner, image, choose the colors, click next, choose a font and create a theme, and that's how it will look like. And once you are done with this, all you do is just publish a website, and yeah, that's basically it.